Hello students, nowadays we use many type of digital devices or digital systems like mobile phones, laptop, desktop, digital camera, etc. These are all digital devices in the sense that they can store, process and communicate information in the form of digital signals or discrete signals. So the discrete signal or digital signal means the data are in the form of only two values, zeros and ones. So here in this video I will discuss about logic gates. These are the basic building blocks of this digital systems or the digital devices. So here we will discuss about what you mean by a logic gates, what are the different types of basic gates, then what are the other gates, then what do you mean by a universal gates and what are the different types of universal gates. So what is a logic gates? As I said earlier, the logic gates are the fundamental building blocks of the digital systems. Logic gates have some input and outputs. Input and output of the logic gates can occur only in two levels, that is 0 or 1, low or high, off or on. Okay, only two values for all the inputs and output. So there are a number of logic gates are there, and each gate are decided to perform a specific operation. That means each gate has a specific operation. That means in the case of an AND gate, it is performed some operation based on some combination of the input. That means for specific combination of the input, it produces some output. And for other combination of the input, it produces another output. That means output may be 0 or 1. Okay, so here the input and output are only zeros and ones. That means if there are two inputs, then there are different combination of inputs. That means if there are two inputs, we have 2 raised to 2 input combinations are there. Like suppose here x and y are the input, the different input combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So that means if there are n inputs for this logic gate, there are 2 raised to n different combinations for the input. So for each combination of the input, this gate produces a specific output. Okay. So there are different types of logic gates are there, basic gates, other gates and universal gates. Basic gates are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Other gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. So next we will discuss about these gates. So first basic gate is the AND gate. We have already studied in Boolean algebra there is an AND operation. That AND operation is represented by the dot symbol. So to implement that AND operation, here AND logic gate is used. The logic symbol for the AND gate is like this. So this AND gate may have 2 or more input. Here I draw a AND gate with 2 inputs x and y, and Z is the output. Okay, so this is the logic symbol for the AND gate. So we can write the expression for the AND gate as Z is equal to x dot y, or it is represented as xy itself. Okay, so how can this AND gate produce the Z output? AND gate output is equal to 1 if and only if both inputs are 1. So here it is equal to 1, then y also 1, then only it produces one output. If any one of the input is equal to 0, then the output of the AND gate is 0. So we can represent a tabular format for this input combinations and the output. That is called a truth table. So truth table is the tabular representation of the input and the output. So the columns of the truth table are input variables and the output variables, and the rows represents the different input combinations. So here there are 2 inputs x and y. So these 2 columns represents the inputs. and this column represents the output. Okay, so this is the truth table. So here there are two inputs. We have 2 raised to 2 input combinations based on the input values 0s and 1. That is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So in the case of AND gate, the output is equal to 1 only when both inputs are 1. So here only the output is equal to 1. This is the output column Z. Then if any one of the input is equal to 0, then output is equal to 0. Okay, so the AND gate produce output 1 only when both inputs are 1. So this is the truth table for the AND gate, and this is the logical expression for the AND gate, and this is the logic symbol for the AND gate. Okay, this is the logic symbol for 2 input AND gate. AND gate may accept 2 or more inputs, but only 1 output. Okay. Next one is the OR gate. So in the Boolean algebra, we have studied plus operation. Okay, plus operation, or it is the OR operation. So OR operation is implemented using the OR gate. So this OR gate can have 2 or more input and only 1 output. So the logical symbol for this OR gate is like this. This is a 2 input OR gate. X and Y are the inputs of the OR gate and Z is the output. We can write the expression as Z is equal to X or Y. Z is equal to X or Y. So the output Z is equal to 1 when any one of the input is equal to 1. Okay, output is equal to 0. If both inputs are 0, then output is equal to 0. So this is the logic symbol. So we can draw the truth table for this OR gate. So here also only 2 inputs and 1 output. The inputs are X and Y, and Z is the output. So here is the output and here it is the input. So this is our truth table. Okay. So here there are 2 inputs. So here we have 4 input combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So in the case of an OR gate, output is when both inputs are 0, then output is equal to 0. If any one of the input is equal to 1, then output is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the truth table for the OR gate. Truth table, then this is the logic symbol, and this is the logical expression for the OR gate. Okay, next one is NOT gate. NOT gate is the complement operator. Okay, we have already studied it is a unary operator. There is a unary operator in Boolean algebra that is called the complement operator. That complement operator is represented by complement or bar. That means if x is a variable, then we can represent it as x complement or x bar. So it is also called an inverter. NOT gate is also called inverter. So this inverter has only 1 input and 1 output, and it is represented by the logical symbol like this. Only 1 input X and 1 output Y. And here the expression is, logical expression is Y is equal to X bar or Y is equal to X complement. Okay, so if X is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 1. It inverts the input. If X is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 0. So we have the truth table. So here the truth table has only 1 input and 1 output. So here X is the input and Y is the output. This is the truth table. So when X is equal to 0, so here X can have only 2 values, 0s and 1s. So here X may be 0 or 1. When X is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 0. So this is the truth table for the NOT gate, and this is the logical symbol. and this is the logical expression. Okay, so here output is always complement of the input. Next one is XOR gate. So the basic gates are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, and we have two other gates, that is XOR gate and XNOR gate. So here I will discuss about XOR gate. Okay, exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate has two or more input and one output, and it is represented by the logical symbol like this. So here it is a two input XOR gate, X and Y, and Z is the output. So we can represent that operation as X is equal to X XOR Y. X XOR Y is equal to actually XY bar plus X bar Y. XY bar plus X bar Y. That means when both inputs are different, then output is 1. When both inputs are same, then output is equal to 0. That means, so we can draw the truth table. Here there are two inputs and one output. Here the inputs are X, Y, and output is Z. So these two are the input. So here it is the truth table. So when X is equal to 0 and Y is equal to 0, then what is X XOR Y? X is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 0, Y bar is equal to 1, or X is equal to 0, then X bar is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 0. You know, 0 and 1 is equal to 0, and 1 and 0 is equal to 0. 0 or 0 is equal to 0. Okay, next what is 0 1? When 0 1, we have X is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 1, Y bar is equal to 0, then X is equal to 0, X bar is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 1. So here 0 or 1, any one of the input is equal to 1, then OR operation output is 1. Then next one, X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 0. Here X is equal to 1, Y bar is equal to 1, or X bar is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0. Here also 1 or 0, here we get the output as 1. Then both inputs are 1. When both inputs are 1, X is equal to 1, then Y bar is equal to complement of Y is 0. X is equal to 1, so X bar is equal to 0, Y is equal to 1. So here it is 0 or 0 is equal to 0. That means if the inputs are different, then output is equal to 1 in these two cases. In first and last case, the inputs are same, so the output is equal to 0. So it is an inequality detector. Okay, the outputs are not inputs are not equal, then only it generates an output. So it is an inequality detector or anti-coincidence detector. Okay, so we can write the expression as X XOR Y. Okay, XOR operation is represented by this symbol, that is a plus inside the circle. Okay, so here the expression is XY bar plus X bar Y. Okay, next is XOR gate or exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive NOR gate is the combination of XOR gate and NOT gate. That means here is the XOR gate, X and Y are the inputs, and output of XOR gate is connected to a NOT gate. Okay, so we can draw the logical symbol of this XNOR gate as XOR gate followed by a bubble symbol. This bubble indicates the complement operation. So we get the output as complement of XOR gate. So here XY are the input and Z is the output. The logical expression for XNOR gate is X XNOR Y. So here the symbol is a dot within a circle. That is equal to X XOR Y whole complement, because it is the complement of the x or y. Okay, so this is equal to xy plus x bar y bar. That means here the output of the XOR gate is equal to 1 when both inputs are same. In the case of XOR gate, the output of the XOR gate is equal to 1 when the inputs are different. Okay, so the complement is in the case of XNOR gate. So in the case of XNOR gate, if the inputs are different, then output is equal to 0. So we can draw the truth table for this. The inputs are x and y and the output is z. So x and y are the input, z is the output. So here there are two inputs. So we have four combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. In the case of XOR gate, if the inputs are equal, then output is equal to 0, and the inputs are different, then output is equal to 1. So here in the case of XNOR gate, the complement of XOR, so here it is 1 and here also complement is equal to 1. Then when the output is equal to 1 in the case of XOR, then in the case of XNOR it is 0. That means if the inputs are equal, then output is equal to 1 in the case of 0 0 and also in the case of 1 1. Then if the inputs are different, then output is equal to 0. So that's why it is called a equality detector. It checks whether the inputs are equal or coincidence. It's also called coincidence gate. Okay, so this is the logical expression for the XNOR gate, then this is the logical symbol and this is the truth table. Okay, next one is universal gates. There are two gates, NOR gate and NAND gates are called universal gates. They are called universal gates because by using these two gates we can implement all other gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Okay, these all basic gates and other gates can be implemented using the NOR gate and NAND gate. That's why these two gates are called the universal gates. Okay, so what is a NOR gate? NOR gate actually not OR. You know what is OR gate? So this one is the OR gate with two input x and y and one output. When you note the output of this NOR gate, OR gate, this is called a NOR gate. So we can write the logical symbol as OR gate output is complemented, so put a bubble here. So this is the logical symbol for the NOR gate. Okay, so here x and y are the inputs. Okay, then here it is, you know what is OR gate? OR gate is x plus y, x or y, then complement of that. So we can write the expression as z is equal to x plus y whole bar, x plus y whole bar. So the truth table is, here there are two inputs x and y and only one output. Okay, x and y are the input and z is the output. So here it is the input and here it is the output. So this is the truth table. Okay, so there are four combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Okay, so in the case of OR operation, if any one of the input is equal to 1, then output is 1. So in the case of OR operation, these are the outputs. Okay, so NOR gate is actually the complement of that. So that means in the case of NOR gate, if both input are 0, then output is equal to 1. In all other cases, output is equal to 0. That is the complement of the OR gate. Okay, so x plus y is the OR gate, x plus y bar. So if any one of the input is 1, then output of the NOR gate is 0. Output is equal to 1 when both inputs are 0. Okay. Next one is NAND gate. NAND gate is actually not AND. That means we have the AND gate with the two inputs X and Y, then followed by a NOT gate. This is called the NAND gate. So we can draw the logic symbol for the NAND gate as like this. AND gate, at the end of the AND gate, a bubble. This bubble indicates the complement operation. So here it is X, Y, and output is equal to Z. So what is Z? Z is equal to, what is AND operation? AND operation is X, Y. Its complement is the output of the NAND gate, X, Y bar. Okay, so this is the logical expression for the NAND gate. So we can draw the truth table. So here there are two inputs and one output. The inputs are X, Y and Z. So inputs are X and Y and Z is the output. Okay, so this is the truth table. So here there are two inputs. We have 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in the case of AND gate, if any one of the output is 0, then output is equal to 0. If both inputs are 1, then only output is equal to 1. But in the case of NAND gate, the output is the complement of the AND gate. So here it is 1 and here it is 0. That means in the case of AND gate, output is equal to 1 if any one of the input is 0. If both inputs are 1, then output is equal to 0. Okay. So actually it is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. Okay, output of AND gate is complemented. So this is the truth table for the NAND gate. Logical expression is X is equal to X, Y bar. Then this is the logical symbol, AND gate followed by a bubble. Bubble indicates the complement operation. Okay. So these are all the basic gates, other gates and the universal gates. So in this video we studied what are the different basic gates, other gates and universal gates, the logic symbol of each gate, logical expression of each gate, then what is the truth table of each gate. So truth table is actually the tabular representation of the input and output. Okay, thank you for listening.